Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to get to your desktop on Windows 10. So perhaps you have a lot of screens open at one time and you just want to quickly flash over to your desktop view. This tutorial will be for you. So let's say instead of wanting to minimize all these individual windows you might have open on your screen, you just want one click and you'll be right back in your desktop. So all you have to do is just head over to the bottom right corner of your screen, or at least wherever your taskbar is located, and most people it's on the bottom. And you want to just left click on this little rectangle on the far right side and just left click on it one time. And you see that we have flashed back to our desktop view. And if you want to go back to how it was before, it's simple as just left clicking on that little rectangle one more time. And you see it going back and forth. And if you decide to open up any individual window, you're more than welcome to. And you can see how it'll have an effect when you go back and try and click on the little rectangle again. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.